Hello everyone, today we're writing a Python code for creating a simple quiz game. Okay, now today we'll be using PyCharm to do this. Okay, and if you don't know how to install PyCharm on your PC, you can go to the description below. There's a link down there for it. Okay, now we'll see. First of all, what we have to do is in this code we'll define a question class. Okay, this is how to define a question class using the class attribute and question. Okay, after doing this, close some column. Now we will create two attributes. Okay, two attributes called the prompt, which will carry the question text, and the answer to carry the correct answer. Okay, now we're going to define it. So def initial. Okay, now inside it we're going to indicate the attributes prompt, comma, answer. Okay, so self dot prompt is equals to, so this will carry and okay, self dot answer is equals to answer. Okay, so after we finish defining this, then we'll also define a function called run quiz that takes a list of question objects as input. Okay, so let's see how we'll do that. So we'll define run quiz. Okay, run quiz. This is the name, the function name. Okay, so to carry, the function name will carry take a list of question made as the input. So now let's just say questions and come out and enter. Now what we'll do next is inside the run quiz function, we have to iterate over each question, prompt the user for an answer, okay, and compare it to the correct answer. Okay, let's see. And if the user answers matches the correct answer, what happens? We ignore the case and the score is incremented. After all the questions have been answered, the score is displayed. Okay, so now let's see how we can. So let's first of all specify score is equals to 0. At the initial stage, the score will be 0. And now let's iterate. Let's say for question to iterate through the question, for question in questions, from question in questions, that for questions in this question that will take as the input. Okay, so in questions, then we say it's a for loop. So what we are trying to do, we are trying over each question, then prompt the user for an answer. Okay, so now say user answer, this is a variable want to. Okay, so it goes to take an input where the user will input his answer. Okay, and this dot. Now remember the prompt, we specified up there the attribute. So we said before that this prompt here, what does it do? Is the question text. Okay, the question text. Okay, the attribute we defined here. So now move further, say plus and quotation. Specify this quotation here. Okay, so now and we will set a condition for it. If the user answers matches the correct answer, ignore the case and the score is incremented. Okay, let's see. Let's put the condition as if user answer we define here. If user answer dot lower, and why we're putting this lower is because in lowercase, if the answer is like lowercase, this is simply means lowercase the function. Okay, lowercase then equals to question dot answer dot lower. Okay, so now what will happen if the user answer matches the correct answer to the question? What will happen now? We'll specify what will happen. There will be an increment in the score. That's what right score is how to write increment score plus 1. That means it will increase by 1. Okay, so now after the question have been answered, the score is displayed. Okay, after the question is answered, the score is displayed. So let's see how we can display the score. Let's say enter, then let's say okay, let's say print. I think these so have to be here for this for loop. This has to be print. Let's say you scored let's indicate the score bracket, which you have to enter the score. And while we're doing this here, while we're putting this score bracket in, we want to use the dot format function. So you will see as we go on. So let's say correct. That is, we're saying you scored, then to indicate what was scored, correct answer. Okay, correct answer. Okay, dot, and let's say dot outside it, we say dot format. What this format does is it try to bring the specified. It's when we're dealing with numeric values, we have to indicate the format. What the format will do, whatever value it enters, it will put it here. Okay, so use the format function, which says score, comma, then bring the length of the question. So we'll say question. Okay, sorry, length. Now the function length, length means the length of something. So question, the length of the question, which will be entered here. Okay, once the score is entered at this place, then this other argument, length of the question, will be entered. That is the amount you scored over the question given. Okay, that is the question you were able to answer correctly over the questions that were available. Okay, so now we will go further. Now to create your quiz, you define the instance of the question. Okay, the instance of the question class we specified here. Okay, let's comment on it and say define your quiz. Okay, define your quiz question, and that will be better. Define your quiz questions and say enter. What we'll do at this place, let's shape this. So okay, and we'll say question. I'll say question 1. Want to specify the questions that the different questions we want to answer. In this case, we just specify 3 questions. Okay, that we want to put for the user to answer. So now let's use. Now we're creating a kind of instance. Okay, for this question class here, that will take the questions. Okay, now let's say one of the question is what is the capital of France? Okay, as one of the question want to get there. So put the question mark and put comma, and this is the answer. Okay, The answer is Paris. Okay, so let's see. So many people don't know that. So okay, two. The second question is I'll still apply the question class. Okay, because we are trying to create an instance, the question class. So I said it earlier. So another question is who. Okay, let's say who painted the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa. Okay, we'll put that question mark. Okay, then outside it, specify the answer. Can you guess that? It's Leonard da Vinci. Okay, so now we go to the other question. Say question 3 underscore 3. Okay, specify question. What question are we going to ask? Okay, let's say what is the largest planet in our solar system? Solar system. Then okay, it's supposed to be a question mark here. Then to give gap here. And our answer is I guess that. Okay, I guess it right. Fine. So the answer is Jupiter. Okay, so now what will happen is we'll create a list containing all the questions and pass it to the we'll create a list containing all the questions and pass it to the run quiz function to start the quiz. Okay, so now let's see how that can be done. Let me comment. Let's say create a list of questions. Just a list of questions. Okay, I think why this is showing on the line here, I have to bring this down. Okay, let's see, too many blank. Okay, so let's ignore that. Now we'll say quiz. Let's say yes, call it quiz question. Quiz underscore question is equals to, and this will take the list of our questions, okay, which we have initialized. Okay, now we have question 1, comma, question 2, comma, question 3, enter. So now we'll run the quiz. Okay, specify again. Let's say run the quiz. Yes, see how we can run the quiz. So we use the run quiz function we defined here. So let's say this. Then we specify the whole question here with this variable holding the whole question. So we'll say quiz question. Okay, now let's see how we can actually run that. See how we can run that. Okay, I think we're having some issues here, so I have to bring this here. Then I have to bring this. Bring this here. Bring this here. To bring this here. Okay, for proper indentation. Okay, so we have to also bring this here. You can see the red is indicating some red lines. They're telling us that indentations are not right. So you can see now everything is clear. So we see how we can run it. Okay, now I believe why this is giving taking us. Okay, insert to. Okay, I think this also, this thing has been taken, the lines have been taken away. So now it's time to run it, and let's run. Okay, now you can see what is the capital. Okay, well, after running, it gave us what is the capital of France, which is the first question here. You can see it here. So giving us what the capital, so we have to indicate the answer. Say, let's say Paris. And the next question is, who painted the Mona Lisa? And let me see, answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, enter. Present the second question. What is the largest planet in our solar system? So Jupiter. Okay, then press enter. Oh, line 26, showing us line 26. The error is saying line 26. I don't know why it is giving us an error. Say line 26. So what is the error for? It's a no new line at the end. Okay, that's just the problem. Okay, so let's run this again to see. Okay, the first question, the capital city of France. So let's put the answer Paris. Enter. The second question will pop up. Say, who painted the Mona Lisa? Let's say Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, enter. Okay, and pop up the next question. Let's see, answer, the largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. So let's enter. What is happening? Print scored on line 13. Sorry, line 13. What happened to line 13? Okay, it is called. Okay, object of type question has no length. So length. Okay, here we sort of specifying the right, because this is not just question, it's questions. Okay, you can see it here, questions. Okay, we wrote question. Okay, so I'll add the S. So that's where our error is coming from. So that's that. Let's run this again to see. Okay, first one, what is the capital city? France. Let's say Paris. Enter. Pop up the next question. Say Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, pop up the next one. What's the largest planet in our solar system? And that is Jupiter. So enter. You can see it's telling us that you scored 2/3 correct answer. Okay, let's see why we're getting 2/3. Let's see why we're getting 2/3. I think got Paris. Paris was well spent. Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, there's something that happened there. I think because we're having this space here, so Python indicated that space there, so I've closed the space. Let's see again. Let's go one more time. Let's see. Okay, the pop-up questions. What is the capital city of France? Say Paris. So who painted the Mona Lisa? So that was Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, enter. What's the largest planet in our solar system? That's Jupiter. Okay, so enter. You can see we scored 3/3 correct answers. Okay, unlike what we had there, where we had to enter a wrong answer is because of the space we're having here. So you can see the pop-up here to give us our score. We indicate the number of correct answers over the total questions given. Okay, so that is all we got for today. So I hope you're enjoying this class, and I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the like button. And I want to see your comments in the comment section. Okay, and if maybe you want me to build an app, there's this app you want me to build, or there's this program you want me to write, you can indicate it. I will help you. Maybe we'll talk about that. Okay, all right, thank you very much, and that's all for today.